Hello students, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. In this video we are going to see the solutions of exercise 4 of lesson 4 linear inequations of ICSE board 10 standard from R.S. Agarwal. This video will also be beneficial to ICSE 8th and 9th standard students. In the I-link above I have shared the video of introduction to linear inequations wherein I have explained in the detail the concept of linear inequations and how to write the solution set and plot them on the graph or the number line. Today in this video, we are going to see the solutions of linear inequations for which it is essential to go through the introductory video. So let's start with our today's video, that is linear inequations. A state of inequality between the two expressions involving a single variable x with the highest power 1 is called as linear inequation. So this is ax plus b less than c or less than equal to c, then greater than c or greater than equal to c, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. So in this case you can see here that the left hand side of the equation is not equal to the right hand side of the equation. There is no equal to sign between the left hand side and right hand side. It is either less than or less than equal to or greater than and greater than equal to. Hence it is called as linear inequations. Okay. The solutions for the linear equations are unique as in this case, that is x equal to 6. You can find out this in linear equation, but in linear inequation it can be less than 6 or greater than equal to 6. So you will have a set of solutions. It will not be a unique solution, it will be a set of solutions. So from this you can understand that if it is x equal to 6 here, that means the value of x is exactly 6. But if it is less than 6 or greater than 6, that means it can be any number before 6 or up to 6 like this or after 6. Okay. So that is called as linear inequation. So it is a set of solutions. Now for this you need to understand or recall the concept of number system wherein you have studied about different sets. So this is the natural set which starts from 1 to 3, it is denoted by n. Then comes the whole number set which starts from 0, 1 to 3 to infinity, which is denoted by w. Then comes integers, it is denoted by I or z, and it has numbers, it is a set of numbers of negative, 0 and positive to infinity. And there are then real numbers which is denoted by capital R, which has rational and irrational numbers. Now these three sets you have studied in 8 and 9 standard. Now here in 10 standard this is one you are going to plot, that is the real numbers. So real numbers are rational and irrational numbers. It is a whole range of numbers, that is fraction numbers, decimal numbers, root numbers and all. So for real numbers you cannot plot these specific numbers. These natural number, whole number and integers are some specific numbers, but real numbers are not some specific numbers. It is a whole range of numbers. Okay. So how to plot this on graph line, that we are going to see here. Now to solve the question of inequality, you have been given the replacement set, that is the set from which the values of variable x are replaced in an inequation is called as replacement set, and this will always be given to us. So while solving sum and to write the solution set, we need this replacement set. And we can write the solution set from this replacement set. So solution set is called as the subset of replacement set. Now there is a property of linear inequality while solving the sum. So whenever you are adding, subtracting or multiplying or dividing with a positive number, the sign of inequality will not change from the quotient. But if you are multiplying or dividing with a negative number, then the sign of inequality will be reversed. Okay, so that is the note that I have written here. If you divide or multiply with a negative number, then only the sign of inequality is reversed. So that I have shown with highlighted color. Okay. Now let us start with exercise 4. So here I have solved some of the questions and some board questions too, so that you can get the concept clear about inequality. This is the first question. 2x minus 7 less than 4, where x belongs to, this is read as belongs to the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is the values of the x given. This is the set of the x given. Now from this you have to find the value of x. So now solve the equation as you are solving. Always make x as the subject here. So whatever the number is related with the x, we have to move it to the other side to make x as a subject. So first I have eliminating 7 from here. So for that elimination of 7, I need to do its opposite operation, that is it is minus 7 here, so I have to add it. So adding 7 on both the sides. So you can cancel this from the left hand side and you will get it as 2x less than 11. So now divide by 2 because we don't want 2 also. Therefore 2 is also eliminated from here and you will get now x is less than 11 by 2. So if it is an improper fraction, convert into mixed one, so it will become x is less than 5.5. So 5.5 means, so it will be somewhere here, this is 5.5, right? So the values of x are less than 5.5. So less than 5.5 means it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that will be your solution set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that you have to show it on the number line. So whatever value of x is there, that you have to show, that is 5.5, and then show the solution set values, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You have to dark with, you have to make a dark circle on the numbers. Okay, so that is the representation on number line. This is the similar question as above. The set of x is given as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is given in fractions. So first cross multiply, make it a proper equation here. And this here 10, I am adding 10. Okay, so it will get cancelled from here. So you will get 6x is greater than 16. Now divide by 6 here. So you will get 8 by 3. 8 by 3 means you have to write it as 2 whole 2 by 3. So 2 whole 2 by 3 will come somewhere here. So value of x is greater than 2 whole 2 by 3. So greater than this number means you have to write 3, 4, 5, 6. That will be the solution set. That is 3, 4, 5, 6. On the number line you have to show. So this is your value of x here. That is x is greater than 2 whole 2 by 3. Now how to plot a mixed fraction on the number line, that I have shown you in the introductory video. So what you have to do? So this is 2 whole. So that means this number will come between 2 and the next number 3. And this fraction now you have to see the denominator, make that much part between 2 and 3. Okay, so that is first, second and third part, and whatever the number is in the numerator, that you have to point it out. So this will be your 2 whole 2 by 3. This way you have to show mixed fraction on the number line. And x is greater than this number now. So greater than this number means 3, 4, 5, 6. That is your solution set. Now x belongs to natural number. Natural number set starts from 1 to 3 to infinity. Now here are 2x and 2 non-x terms. So you have to solve it by that method 2 times. So first I am subtracting 3x from this RHS. So 4 minus 3x, for that this is plus here, so I have to subtract it. So this will be minus 3x. So 3x minus 14. So from here 3x will get cancelled and what is remaining? So 4 minus 6x is greater than equal to minus 14. Now I am cancelling 4, eliminating 4. So this is plus, I have to subtract it. So subtracting 4 on both the sides. Minus 14 minus 4. So eliminate 4 from here. You will get minus 6x is greater than equal to minus 18. Now I have to divide it by minus 6 to get the value of x. Since I am dividing with a negative number, I have to reverse the sign, inequality sign, right? See, I will highlight it with the color here. And therefore, now minus 6 will get cancelled from this side and minus minus is cancelling. 6 ones are 6 threes are. So you will get the answer as x is less than or equal to 3. Now this solution set, replacement set is given as x belongs to natural number. So and it is less than and equal to 3. So in natural number set starts from 1 to 3. Okay. So it is less than 3 and also equal to 3. So the solution will be 1, 2 and 3. So that will be the solution. And the same thing you have to show it on the number line. It is less than or equal to 3, and less than means these numbers are also included along with 3. Similar question for x belongs to w. So set of w starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So do the same process here. You will get here as x is 3 is greater than x. So you can interchange the variable and the values here. You can write it other way. So this is x is less than 3 here. So less than 3. So less than 3 means 0, 1, 2 is the value. That is the solution set. So it is less than 3. It is not equal to 3. So therefore 3 is not included. Only less than 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3 is the solution set. Then x belongs to integer. Integer means negative, 0 and positive values. Now this is in fraction. So take the LCM. So here 15, 1s are 15 will come. Now here it is 2 values of x here. So do the operation. That is 9 minus 10 is minus 1x plus 5. Now I don't want 5 here. So it is minus 5. Then 15 minus 5. So I am eliminating 5 from this side. And you will get minus x is greater than 10. So here also I don't want negative value for x here. So you can divide it, no number means it is 1, so you have to divide it by minus 1, therefore the sign of inequality will change. So here minus minus will get cancelled, and this what will remain is x is less than minus 10. So x is less than minus 10 and it is integers. So this is a number line for integers here, and it is less than minus 10. So less than minus 10 means minus 11, minus 12, minus 13 and so on. That is the solution set for this equation. Now you know in the number line the negative numbers, the greater the negative number will have lesser value for the negative numbers. Okay. So minus 11 is greater than minus 12, minus 12 is greater than minus 13 and so on. Or minus 13 is less than minus 12, minus 12 is less than minus 11 and so on. So the solution set here is minus 11, minus 12 and minus 13 and dot dot dot. Dot 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 means you have to, so many numbers are there, that is to infinity, so you have to show this like this. Okay. Okay, the next question is here x belongs to R. So solve similarly and you will get the value as x is greater than or equal to 2. So write the solution set as, now you know for R the solution set is not some particular number. So you have to write the same in the solution set. This is read as x such that x is greater than or equal to 2 and x belongs to R. So this way you have to write the solution set when x belongs to R is given. Now how to plot on the number line? So it is x is greater than 2. So greater than 2 means all the numbers after 2. So you have to put this arrow. And it is also equal to 2, so you have to make a dark circle on 2 also. So 2 is also included here, and all the numbers after 2 are also the solution set for this particular equation. Okay, so either you can draw this line above the number line or you can darken the number line also. Okay, now here you can see there are two inequality signs. So you have to solve the first part of the equation and also then solve the second part of the equation. So we will try this one now. Now from here I am eliminating minus 1. So you will get minus 3 plus 1 less than 2x minus 1 plus 1. So this is minus 1 plus 1 is cancelled and this will get minus 2 less than 2x. Now we don't want 2 here. So it is 2x by 2. So 2 will get cancelled from both the sides. So what will remain is minus 1 is less than x. Okay. Then solve for the second part of the equation. So this will be here 2x minus 1 plus 1 less than x plus 4 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled here. So it is 2x less than x plus 5. Now eliminate x from that side. So it is 2x. It is 2x minus x less than x minus x plus 5. Right? So x will get cancelled here. So 2x minus x is x less than 5. So now how to write these type of solutions? So you are getting two solutions here. This is the first solution and this is the second solution. Now you have to combine these two solutions such that the sign of inequality will face towards one side. Okay, in both the cases it should face towards the one side, and so that we get the value of x in between these two numbers. So I have written here, this is minus 1 less than x less than 5. Okay, now the replacement set given here is x belongs to integers. So x belongs to integers means it is less than, value of x is less than minus 1 and greater than minus 1 and less than 5. So greater than minus 1 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Since it is less than 5, so you have to write it up to 4. So this is the representation on the number line, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So for integers, numbers, natural numbers and whole numbers, you can just point out the numbers here, that you can make dark circle on the numbers. But for whole numbers, you have to draw the line also. For real numbers, you have to draw the line also. So now this is the real numbers here, equation of real number. This is the first part of the equation, this is the second part of the equation. Now combine these two results, solutions here, and that will be the solution for the real numbers. So it is x such that minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 5. Okay, now this is the solution from the graph paper that you have to show. This is minus 1 and this is 5 here, but you have to make a dark circle on minus 1 since it is equal to also, but we cannot make dark circle for for 5 since it is not equal to for 5. So you have to make an empty circle on 5. Okay, and all the numbers between that, so you have to join this line from minus 1 to 5. So that is the representation when x belongs to R. This is x belongs to integers. So solve this equation, first part of the equation, and solve the second part of the equation here. Here we are dividing with minus 4, therefore the sign has reversed, and this is your equation first solution and this is your second solution. Combine these two results to get your solution set. This is 3 whole 3 by 4 greater than equal to x less than, x is greater than 2 here. Okay, so 3 whole 3 by 4 will come this side and 2 is here. So the number between these two is 3. Since this is an replacement set of integers, so you have to write the numbers only. So this is 3. The answer will be 3. So keep in mind that whenever the replacement set is given for integers, natural number and whole number, the solution set will be in numbers, but whenever it is given for real numbers, the solution set will be a range of answers. So that is that you have to combine these two results and write it in the solution set. Okay, now here minus 5 less than x less than or equal to minus 1. So how to represent it? Minus 5, this is minus 5 and this is minus 1 here, but it is equal to minus 1, so minus 1 is included, but minus 5 it is not equal to sign here, so you have to draw empty circle and join the line from minus 5 to minus 1 and all the numbers between that also. Okay, so that is the representation when x belongs to R. This is x belongs to natural number. Solve as you have solved earlier. Combine these two results. So, and then you have to plot it on the number line. It is 2 less than or equal to x less than 4 2 by 3. So this is 2 and this is 4 2 by 3 here. So it is equal to sign for 2. So 2 is also included. Therefore the solution will become 2 3 4 is the solution. Now from here I have solved some of the equations that they have asked in the board exams. This is from 2014. It is given x belongs to W here. W means whole numbers, that is 0, 1, 2 and so on. Now take the LCM, convert into improper and then take the LCM. Now 6 will get cancelled from both the sides. So it is minus 17 less than 3 minus 4x. Okay. Now remove 3 from this side. So it will be minus 17 minus 3. 3 minus 3 minus 4x. So 3 will be eliminated. Now this will become minus 20 less than minus 4x. Now I have to divide with minus 4 on both the sides. So the sign of inequality will be reversed. So that is, this has changed. And therefore minus 4 will get cancelled and you will have 5 on this side. So this is 5 is greater than x. That is the first solution. Now the solution for the second part of the equation. Again, take the LCM of this side and 6 will be multiplied with 2. It is 12. Now I want to eliminate 3 from this side. 12 minus 3. So 3 get cancelled. This will be minus 4x less than or equal to, this will be 9. Now divide by minus 4 on both the sides. So the sign of inequality will get reversed. Minus 4 will get cancelled and you will have x greater than or equal to 9 upon minus 4. So x is greater than or equal to 9 upon minus 4. So you have to write it like this: x is greater than minus 2 1 by 4. Convert it into mixed fraction. Now you can see the sign of inequality is facing this side only. So the solution will be 5 greater than x greater than or equal to minus 2 1 by 4. So since this is a set of whole numbers here, now whole number starts from 0, we know that, but first plot these numbers. So 5 plus 5 is here and minus 2 1 by 4 will be here. But this is, x is greater than this number, so we cannot write minus 2 minus 1, and since it is a whole number set, so you have to start your answer with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the solution set for this equation. Now this is from 2010, x belongs to R here. So solve as usual. You get the value of x as less than 5 for the first part and greater than or equal to minus 4 for the second part. Now combine these two equations here, that is x belongs to R, and then plot it on the number line as it is x is equal to and greater than minus 4. So it is minus 4 is included, but it is only less than 5 but not equal to 5. So 5 is not included, therefore you have to draw an empty circle on 5 and join this line for all the numbers between minus 4 and 5. This is 2008 question. So you can solve it the same way. This is also x belongs to R. So most of the time they have asked x belongs to or y belongs to R. The replacement set is given for real numbers only in the board exam. So this solution is minus 2 less than or equal to y less than 4. So here minus 2 and minus 4. It is equal to minus 2 but not equal to 4. So empty circle for 4 here and join from minus 2 to 4. This is a question of 2018 where x belongs to integers. So for integers they will write either I or z. Similar pattern. This is minus 4 less than or equal to x less than 4 whole 2 by 3. So this is of integers. So minus 4 and the numbers between minus 4 and 4 whole 2 by 3. And also minus 4 is included since this is equal to sign for minus 4. But 4 whole 2 by 3 is not included, so you have to write it up to 4. So the numbers will be minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be your answer. In 2019, this type of question has been given. The equation has been given and you have to write the solution set on a real number line where x belongs to W is the replacement set. So W starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Solve the equation as per the given solution. Okay, as we know. And this is the solution for the first part and this is the solution for the second part. Combine these two, you will get the solution set as minus 2 less than x less than or equal to 5. Now since it is belonging to x belongs to W here, so whole number starts from 0. And since it is x is greater than minus 2, so greater than minus 2 is minus 1 also, but we cannot include minus 1 in the solution set since the replacement set given here is x belongs to W. So you have to write the answer from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and since 5 is also included, so 5 will also be included in the solution set. Now this is somewhat different here. Here two sets have been given. P, this is the first equation, and this is the Q, this is the second equation, and in that equation also there are two inequality signs. So for P also you have to solve as we have solved earlier, the first part of the equation and then the second part of the equation. I have shown with the green line, this is the first part and this is the second part, and then combine these two solutions of P to get the solution set of P here. So this is the solution set of P. Then solve for Q, this is the first part of equation and then the second part of the equation, and you get these two solutions. Combine them too for the solution set of Q here, but Q is given as integers, so you can write the values of the Q as x is greater than equal to -1 and x is less than 5. So the values will be -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Since this is equal to -1, so -1 will also be included in Q. Now you have to plot it on the number line. So with the green that I have shown is for Q and with the pink that I have shown is for P. Now for P it is 3 less than x or less than or equal to 6. So value of x is between 3 and 6 here, and it is equal to 6 too. So make a dark circle for 6 and make an empty circle for 3 and join the line. And for Q, the points are -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now you have to find P intersection Q here. So P intersection Q is 4, since 4 is included in both the sets. 5 or 6 are in P but not in Q, and -1, -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2 and 3 are in Q but not in P. Therefore 4 is included in both the sets. So P intersection Q is 4. Intersection means common point between the two sets, that is 4 here. Similarly this question, A is a set given of x belongs to R and B is also a set of x belongs to R. This is the equation given. Here only one inequality sign is there, so it is easy to solve. Now this is the solution set for A and this is the solution set for B here. Okay. So this will be the representation since it is x belongs to R and this is also x belongs to R. Now you have to represent this on number line. So for A it is x is greater than 2. Greater than 2. So but not equal to 2. So 2 is not included. So empty circle on 2 and all the numbers after 2. That means you have to show this arrow. And for B it is x is greater than or equal to 4. So it is equal to 4. So 4 is also included. So dark circle on the 4 and all the numbers after 4. So therefore this is arrow for B. Okay. So that means all the numbers after 4 and here all the numbers after 2. That is the set for A and this is the representation for B here. Now you have to write A intersection B. So A intersection B, as I have told above, that intersection means all the common points between these two sets. So you can see clearly that is 4 and after 4 all the numbers are the common points between A and B. Therefore the solution will be x is greater than or equal to 4. Okay. So this was the last question. So such type of questions will be asked in the board exam. So try it out. If you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, Get the Math.